What's up everybody? It's Amy here from Amy's Art Alchemy. Welcome back to my channel, the place to go to for tips, tricks, tutorials, and all things art related. I'm so glad that you're here today. Today I have another Feature Friday Artist Spotlight episode to share with you. My friend from Pennsylvania, Tasha Poe. Tasha is a member of our Artist Trading Card Swap group, and you can find her over on Instagram at Knitter26. Tasha loves knitting, spinning, dyeing yarn, and she actually came across junk journaling by accident and fell in love with it. Secretly, I think it's just in her genes, because if you saw a couple episodes back where I featured the artist Linda Nagel, that's actually her mom. So they just create beautiful things naturally, and I am so glad, Tasha, that you came across this by accident and fell in love with it, because you create beautiful, beautiful work. And I am so lucky to own a part of it and to have you as a member of our Artist Trading Card Swap group. So be sure and check out Tasha's account and see all the beautiful things that she has created and all the things that she is up to. I'm going to flip the camera around and show you some of Tasha's work. Okay, I have several things to show you that Tasha has created. The very first piece of art that I seen Tasha create were these beautiful artist trading cards. She is a member of our A3 ATC swap group and has participated since the very first swap, and I kept one of her cards as one of my 5 cards to keep in the swap, and it's absolutely beautiful. So she's got the textiles down the side, which we know I love, and the beautiful florals. She's got the word floral there, the book text behind, some numbers at the bottom. So she has added all these things beautifully and created such a beautiful artist trading card. So Tasha is most inspired, she said, by nature and old books, and she has done just a beautiful job displaying that in her art. So I definitely had to keep one of her cards as one of my 5. So if you are a member of our ATC swap group over on Instagram, you may have been lucky enough to already receive one of her cards, but stay tuned if you haven't, because you will eventually. Everybody receives a card from a different artist each time, so you may get your hands on one of Tasha's beautiful cards. So this is just an example of the very first piece of art that I've seen Tasha create, and I have it displayed in my art studio, and I just had to show it to you guys. So this is one of her artist trading cards, and then she also sent me 2 months worth of cards in advance, so I'll show those. This is for the April swap. Look at this. This one, she combined the textiles behind it, the book page, the words. I mean, look at how well this is put together. I hope the angle is good that you can see this. She just does a beautiful job. So here's one, and like I mentioned, these are for the April ATC swap. Here's another one. She used different textile. I love how she collages her work. They are absolutely beautiful. So here's another one. I love this one, probably because the textiles and it's floral. So I just have an obsession for florals. So I love how this looks. Absolutely love it. So beautiful. Here's another one, and I love that she kept this raw edge. I love that. I love the different texture that it creates. And here's the last one for the April swap. Tasha, you're going to have to share with me where you got this fabric. I love it. It's absolutely beautiful. So she did a good job matching the elements together and playing off the colors, and she just does a beautiful job. So those are the April cards. Then I also have in my possession the cards for her May swap. So look at this. This one, she did some beautiful butterflies. Isn't this gorgeous? Got the word bloom at the bottom. I love how she pieces it together. It's got the border around it, and it just makes everything stand out, how she does the little inks around the edges to give it that aged feel. She just does such a beautiful job collaging. This one, it looks like she used some dictionary page behind it. Love it. Absolutely love it. So these were her May artist trading cards. Then I also have a couple things that she sent me. She made me this beautiful paper clip. Isn't that pretty? She added the textiles and the button, the book page on back, and just to slide on a journal. So I love that. She also made me this gorgeous envelope. I love how she collaged this, and I've been waiting to film this video, so now that I'm filming it, I can add it to my journal. But look how beautiful this is. Absolutely beautiful. She's got the music paper, the text. I love, love, love this. This she actually sent with her, let's see, those were the March cards. So I don't have any of those because I'm only allowed to keep one as well. But her cards were titled The Little Things. And I love it. So she used the textile and she sent me this just to tie it all together. And it's absolutely beautiful. So there's this beautifully collaged envelope that I cannot wait to add. So she left it open so I can stick it in a journal. However, so I don't know if I'm going to clip it in or glue it in or make it as a flip out. So I'm so excited to use this, Tasha. Thank you so much for sending me these beautiful things. I just cannot wait to put it in my journal. Also, she sent me this. How gorgeous is this? She used her junk mail for this, and I love it when people recycle their junk mail. I absolutely love it. I do the same thing, so it's always nice to see another person that has the same type of ideas and repurpose their mail. So it flips out. So let's see, it may be easier for you to see it if I hold it down. So it flips out like this. And this part is open so I can glue it down to my journal. I'm going to hold it closer now so you can get a better look. Enjoy the moments. It's got the beautiful ribbon behind it. Look at this. Oh, I love it. I love how you add your textiles. And then it's got this long pocket here. And it is just as beautiful. Look at this. And then the back, it has some journaling spots where I can do some journaling. So this slides in this big pocket here, or it fits in this big pocket. So I can either keep it in here or use it separate, but I love it. I mean, she just did a beautiful job. So then we have this part of the fold out. She's got the lace here, the words across here, and I love how you use your words. I love how you do that. And then this is also a pocket. More beautiful florals. Look at this. This has inspired me to draw this. Obviously, I won't do as good of a job, but hey, we're artists. It's all in how we view things, right? So this is beautiful. I cannot wait to use this in my journal. I love it. Love the black and white. Love how we've got the pops of color and the textile. Love the little stamp there. And then I've got the journaling spot on the back with the word inspire, with the beautiful lace behind it, and then it's doubled, so it gives that extra pop. It's actually beautiful, beautiful. So this slides in this pocket. And then we have this part right here with the door, and this pocket goes sideways. Is that not gorgeous? Look at these images. You're going to have to share with me where you find your images because I just love it. I love it. And in the back, we got the journaling spot here. So this slides in this pocket right here. And as I mentioned, she repurposed her junk mail. So I love that. So she just cut out little circles with her circle punch so you can access the pocket. And then this glues to the back. So it comes across this way. And then you can also flip it this way. And look at this side. Isn't that beautiful? So I can journal across here. This is that card. Look at this paper. I love these colors. These are mustard, this dusty rose color. These are in this teal kind of color. These are my favorite colors. So when I got this, I loved it right away just because you have such a beautiful talent. But then you had the florals and the textiles and the colors and all my favorite things. And so I was just so excited to receive this. So Tasha, thank you so much. I cannot wait to now add this to my journal. So this is just a small glimpse of the things that Tasha creates. Definitely head on over to her channel and see. She just does some beautiful work. And as I mentioned, if you're a member of our ATC swap group, by the time this video goes out, you may have already received one of these April cards. If not, you may be lucky enough to receive one in May or one of the following months. But Tasha, you just do such a beautiful job creating these things and putting all the collage elements, and you just have such a beautiful eye for that. So thank you so much for sending me all these extra goodies. I cannot wait to now put them in my journal. I just wanted to share them with you guys first. So thank you so much, Tasha. That's all I have for you today, guys. I hope that you enjoyed today's Artist Spotlight video. My friend Tasha, don't forget to head on over to her Instagram and see all the beautiful things that she has created there. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. I cannot wait to share some beautiful tutorials and projects that I've been working on, so stay tuned for those. I hope you all are healthy and well, and we will talk to you soon. As always, happy crafting.